Maybe before
9 o'clock. High. 1 mile.
what? Oh, he's way higher. Okay. Anyways, remember the flat plane. Oh, the run-up flip them for flat plane. That's why we put Hillsborough. So all the way down. So big knob. Oh, have it direct. Enter. 81900. 3000. Holy shit. Man, wake turbulence. The winds are coming from the south. Scare shit. Maybe that's why we are surfing, man. You're gonna climb, let's climb. Oh, he said 3000. Fuck that. It is screwy. What do you think? Do we have to worry about wake turbulence? Oh yeah. Oh no. Yeah.
Cessna 843, turn base. Your traffic is over the numbers and turn direct to the runway. Traffic is joining the 1 mile final for 31 left. Hawker jet.
Turn to base, that's 63843. Power. And we go direct to the numbers.
843, turn to the numbers.
Direct to the numbers, 843. Okay, and we go full power. Yeah. Big level, and goes down a little bit. Are you gonna do something more exciting?
Mooney 407 Hotel.
He asked us to turn direct to the numbers. There is a Fokker 10 miles final.
West of Scott.
So he wants us to
12 miles out.
go fast.
Inbound VFR.
Keep power.
With
Gonna teach you how to slow down the last minute.
Mooney 4087
Keep power
Hotel.
nose down.
Ident, please. Mooney 87 Hotel, maintain at above 1,700, enter right downwind, runway 31 left.
Alright, so at above 1,700, right downwind, 31 left, Mooney 87 Hotel.
Hawker 544 Papa Sierra, over carrying on.
Yeah, just came up to you. We're on about a, 6 mile final.
Hawker
Have the heat on.
When able to say flight conditions on descent,
Reduce
additionally,
power.
Cessna, joining the 1 mile final for runway 31 left, just ahead of you.
Below 110, left 10.
050 at 5, runway 31 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 31 left. Currently, light turbulence and the winds are about, let's call it 140 and 12.
Christian, if you could, just let me know when the light turbulence stops.
Okay.
Blowing those down.
Mooney 87
There you
Hotel.
go.
Just to verify, sir, did you want runway 31 left or 31 right?
Reduce power.
Whatever's easier for you, Mooney 87 Hotel.
There you go. Just keep power like that. We're gonna be
That's pretty much at your discretion, sir. Both runways are available.
Let's do 31
Get some cross
Mooney 87
wing,
Hotel,
right?
please.
Left
Mooney
rudder.
87 Hotel, roger. Contact tower 132.8 for the right
Yeah,
name.
that's good.
328,
That way it'll be
today,
465. And let's get more 8 arrows. That way we go back center line. Okay, left rudder, right 8 arrows, and power a little bit. Little more power. Good. There we go. Right rudder a little bit. Now idle.
Hawker 4 Papa Sierra, traffic's over the numbers, landing
Thank you
now.
for
You can
correction.
use your normal speed of the runway.
Thank you, sir.
Slowly those up. Slow those up. Beautiful. So, okay. Nice. And release this guy.
Cessna 843, turn left, Alpha 6, reverse high speed is approved, or the high speed, whichever you like, ground point 7.
Alpha 6, ground point 7, Cessna 63843. And remember,
Alpha on the left downwind for the option.
alright.
Cessna 7 Alpha, number 2, follow a Hawker jet on a 2.5 mile final, caution wake turbulence, runway 3 left, clear for the option.
He's 2.5 half mile.
Left behind the Hawker, and AC7 left, clear for the option.
Good. Alright, man. Just because the rocker, like, the Fokker saying it's like 2.5 miles high, so. Hey, flaps up.